Welcome back everyone. We are just continuing the class of PLM 200 book for the lesson of date planning, and this concept is completely about the planning of the various WBS elements in the particular duration and all. Once we completed the explanation about the date planning with networks and without networks, we will do the small exercise about it, and we will choose the project without networks as elevator project and without networks as a turbine project. Let's see how we are going to implement the same in the project system. First of all, we will choose without network is nothing but elevator project. Here we already created E7531, and we just opened the project, and we are providing the dates, basic start date and basic finish date for the second level WBS element. As they mentioned here, I can choose that WBS element, and we will provide the dates, the basic start date and basic finish date. It's simply 01 first of next month, 01 of next month 2011, and for the finish date as 15th of next month dot 2011. After completion, you just hit the enter. Then automatically the duration will be calculated here. The duration, the unit is days. And for the next WBS element also same thing, 01 next month 2011 to 25th of next month dot 2011. After completion of this, you can hit enter. It will calculate the duration in the units of days. It calculated, and it is mentioning that it's not a working day. It is asking us to choose 23. Okay, after completion of this, if you are accepting, then you have to hit enter. Then it is calculated as 17 days here. After completion of the those two WBS elements, we are providing for these elements also. This is 10th of next month. Here you can choose the dates 10th of next month 2011 to the same 10th of 01 of 2012, and after completion of the unit, hit on enter. If it is not working, it will show a error message. You can click on enter again. It will calculate the duration automatically. After completion of this, we are providing 26th of next month dot 2011 to 26 3 months 022012, and after completion you need to hit on enter. After completion of for the third element 01 and a third month 12 022012 to 4th of 01. After completion, we need to hit enter. It will calculate automatically. For the WS element 3 also, we are providing the basic start date plus 4 of 02 dot 03 dot 2012, and 15 of 04.2012. Once completed, just hit the enter. It will come automatically after crossing the warning messages. After that, 5th 20.04.2012 to 6th of next month 01.05.2012. After completion, you are hitting enter, and it is showing error warning message. After After completion, what we just provided is simply the dates what they are asking for to create for the elevator project. After completion, you can click on save button to reflect our changes. Once it is changed, you can see our dates in the respective WBS elements what you have provided, whether they are saved properly or not, simply. And once it is done, we are just extrapolating the dates of the subordinate WBS elements to the top WBS element. To determine the basic dates for the higher level elements, we are choosing edit, reconcile dates and extrapolate dates simply. It is after choosing this, we need to go for project planning board, and it will open the project planning board in the same window with all WBS elements listed there. Edit, reconcile dates and extrapolate dates. No need to choose anything, it will change automatically. We are just concentrating on basic dates. Once we choose it here, it's changed accordingly. Once it is completed, we can click on save button to save our changes. This is, we completed the date planning in the elevator project which doesn't have any networks. Now we are moving to implement the save for the network project. The project which has networks is nothing but turbine project. We can see here these are all the activities in a network which are having in the turbine project. Now we will implement the same thing here. First, we are opening the project planning board for this project, and we are selecting all for this all dependent objects in the project, and we are scheduling the dates. After completion of scheduling of dates, we are deselecting all and we are extrapolating the scheduled dates to the top level WBS elements. It's very simple, very simple to implement the same. Simply we will select all button here. We can choose edit, select all. This is one way, and we can choose this button is a select all also. It will choose the select all button, and we can see the show all dependent objects. It will expand the project. I mean, if it has any lower level WBS, well, sometimes it won't appear as because of display properties. And if you click on this show all dependent objects, it will expand each and everything. After completion of now, we will change a small duration the existing thing. For the 1000 activity, we are just earlier we have provided 15 days is the duration for this activity. Now we are increasing to 25 days. After completion of this, the dates will be changed here. You can see that the dates are changed. Earlier, if it is 15, the dates will be like this: 15 days, and from 0410 to 24th, and 15 days is the duration, 400 hours of work. And if you choose that it's as if 25, you can see the same thing is reflecting there, 25 days, and work will be the same for all this. After completion of your changes, you need to click on back button, and if I change everything now, it is scheduled a little bit, push it to little bit forward. Now we are choosing select all button simply here, and we are choosing the schedule button which is available right here, and once it is done, it will schedule all the activities one by one based on our relationship. You can see that the changes scheduling is carried out and the dates are moved forward because of the activity 1000 is changed from 15 days to 25 days. All the remaining activities which are dependent on these all will be scheduled accordingly. After completion of this, we are just pulling the latest scheduled dates to the top level WBS elements by simply deselecting all button, and same edit, reconcile dates and extrapolate dates function will take the values from the activities and it will be aggregated at the top level WBS element. It will be assigned with the present values. we are concentrating on basic dates. Once it is done, the WBS elements duration will be updated accordingly. Hence we have completed the date planning in two different projects which are having the network, which doesn't have the network, and we just saving this project. We have seen the date planning examples completely, and we will continue the explanation of resource planning in the next class. Thank you.